Girl, you fine, you blow my mind. I just wanna let you know you're one of a kind. Girl, your beauty wanna made in China. Your beauty wanna made in China. Girl, you fine, you blow my mind. Just wanna let you know you're one of a kind. Girl, your beauty wanna made in China. Your beauty line a Chinese. Oh.
Hey yo, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Siru. If you are not, you already know how we roll. So today I'm gonna walk you through how I transform two bundles and one 4x4 closure into this classic baby right here. So guys, this unit was made for an older customer. Ooh, so she have never had a 4x4 lace from week before. Like, she don't even do lace. All right, so this was her first. She like, oh my god, I love your wigs. And I just, she wanted something that's not, gonna require glue for installation. So we customize our unit to fit your head, and we cut the lace off. We have her ready to wear when you get it. So when you receive your baby, all you do is put your baby on and go. Okay, so that's what we do, and that's what I'm about to show you how I achieve it. So I use a cap from Amazon to make my wigs. Like, I will leave all description in the description box just in case you want to check it or you have interest in making wigs. So I cut off that little lace because I don't like to leave it on and sew over it. I just get it out of my way. And just a little tips: if you are a wig maker and you are still hand sewing your closure on, guys, going into 2022, you want to practice, get on making your units look more professional. Guys, I do everything from the sewing to the stitching to everything. I do everything on my machine, okay? So you want to practice doing that so your units can look more professional. It will save you time. All right, y'all? If your unit can look cute, sleek outside, you want the inside to look classic. All right? So stay tuned. Let me show you how I do this. Watch to the end, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that share button. Okay, y'all?
Kvee from nobody to somebody. From nobody to somebody. I meant to blow, spending plenty money. Make your blessing follow me. Yeah. Oluwa, do it for me. Yeah. Do it. Oluwa, do it for me. Yeah. Do it. Oluwa, do it for me. Yeah. Do it for the biggie, oh. Oluwa, do it for me, oh. Hey, pull up my car. Oh, lo, 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 lo. Oh, ti, lo, 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 lo. Oh, lo, 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 lo. Oh, ti, lo, 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 lo. Oh, lo, 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 lo. Oh, ti, lo, 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 lo. Oh, lo, 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 lo. Oh, ti, lo, lo, lo. I want to live that good life, oh. I want to live that good life, oh. I want to live that good life, oh. Good life, oh. Good life, oh. I want to live that good life, oh. I want to live that good life, oh. I want to live that good life, oh. Good life, oh. Good life, oh. I want to live that.
Yes, now, who don't want to live that good life? Okay, y'all. Well, that's Kvee. Checking out on YouTube as Kvee Official. Anyway, so this is where we are. Done bleaching the nuts. You got to do that because you want your wig to look like it's your own scalp. You don't want people telling it's a wig. And that's one part of it. Second part, you want to pluck your baby because you want your hairline to look so real, so beautiful, okay? You want it to look like your own hair. You don't want people to be like, that's a wig, and it looked like whatever. But anyway, there where we at.
Let me reach the Dangote. Let me chill up in a you every day be my happy day. First class, go London. Odua, Bapomo. Pelele Anune o. Wale Unagae. Pele Adolu. Let this year be my year. Popping champagne. Looking fresh and clean. Hey, hey, hey. Let this year be my year. Gaga. Gaga, let me go gaga, gaga. Hey! Oluwa do it for me, yeah. Do it, do it, do it. Oluwa do it for me, yeah. Do it, do it, do it. Oluwa do it for me, yeah. Do it for the biggie, oh. Oluwa do it for me, oh. Hey, pull up my eka. Oh lo 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 lo, oh ti lo 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 lo, oh lo 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 lo, oh ti lo lo. I want to live that good life, oh. I want to live that good life, oh. Good life, oh. Good life, oh. I want to live that good life, oh. I want to live that good life, oh. I want to live that good life, oh. Good life, oh. Good life, oh. I want to live that.
Yo, she's so cute. She all ready to wear. So remember, I told you I cut off the closure. If it's not requested, I'm not gonna do that. I know a lot of customers don't know how to cut off the list, so they request that service. I don't mind doing that. You don't have to pay extra for that, okay? So that's our baby ready to wear. Just put her on and head out of the door. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have a questions, please leave me your question. If you have any takeaway, if you learned something, just let me know. Just let me know so I can do better, okay? And if you have a unit or old wig that you want to do a touch up on, whatever it is that you need, just reach out. Don't be shy. I'm willing to help. All right, y'all. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, hit that subscribe and turn on the bell. I know you see her showing off her hair, but yeah, I had to see a quick video from her when she came in. So this wasn't like a prepared finishing, but guys, I just wanted to show you. All right, thanks. Bye bye.